Hello friends, in this video I will explain you how you can type in Google Docs using voice instead of keyboard. So that is very faster way to type in Google Docs. How you can do that? For that, go to the tools in your Google Docs, and then over there you will find one option called as voice typing. You can see there is a shortcut key as well, Command Shift S in Mac. Just click on that, and then you have to click on this speaker icon, and after that you have to also allow this site to take control of your microphone as well. So I'm just gonna click here. Now whatever I am gonna say here is will be typed in the Google Docs. So you can see that it is typing here. This time around it didn't ask for that microphone permission, but if you see here, you can see that I have already allowed this website to use this microphone. That's why that pop-up didn't come. But if you're using this for the first time, then that pop-up will come. Let us try it again. I'm testing here microphone or voice typing in Google Docs. I am testing here. So you have to speak very clearly, otherwise it will not type correctly. There will be a lot of spelling mistakes. So you have to be very clear and crisp when you're using this voice typing in Google Docs. Thanks for watching this video.